Exports to more than 80 countries, serves more than 2,000 clients, and debt-free company. Stylam Industries Ltd, a decorative laminates manufacturer. Company has more than 3 decades of experience in manufacturing decorative laminates and acrylic surfaces, which are used in modern furniture. Company market and sells these products under its well-known brands, Stylam, Fascia, Violam, Cuboid, and many other brands. In 2023, company received ET Inspiring Leaders Award under wood panel industry. The company was incorporated in 1991 and got public in 1995. They are based in Chandigarh with more than 460 employees and 1,290 workers. Company has 2 manufacturing plants located in Maniktabra, Haryana, encompassing an area of 58 acres and a production capacity of 16 million sheets per annum with 74% capacity utilization. This is the largest laminate plant in Asia. Company is setting up a new manufacturing plant in Panchkula district, which is expected to be operational by March 2025. The market cap of the company is 3,859 crore rupees and currently trading at 2,280 rupees per share. The company has a 24% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 32% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company has been improving its debt position over the years. As of fiscal year 24, they are 100% debt-free. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. Company expects 30% revenue growth in fiscal years 27 and 28. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Company serves more than 2,000 clients from 80 countries, with revenue concentration of 33% from domestic and 67% from exports. About 43% of the revenue is generated from Europe, 23% from Middle East, 10% from North America, and 24% from other regions. Company has 7 regional distribution centers and has a strong network of more than 6,000 dealers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.